How to enable automatic replies on Instagram starting from scratch. First off, we want to go to our profile by pressing on the bottom right corner. Then we need to switch our account type. So we need to select the three lines in the top right corner right here. And then we need to go to settings. From here, we want to press on account. And then scroll all the way down until we see this option switch to professional account. We need to select it. Then just click continue 4 times or 5. Then here is where you set up your profile and you tell Instagram what type of creator you are or why you need a professional account. Let's just say we are a digital creator. Click on done. It's going to take a little bit. So you can change your profile to either just being a creator or a business account. I'm going to go with creator. Click next, not now. All of these steps I don't think are needed, so we can just exit out of this by pressing on the X button. Alright, so now our account is a professional account. So in order to set up a reply, we want to press on these 3 lines again right here. Then we go to settings. And as you can see, the options have changed. We want to click on creator, the third option now. And this is where we find it, saved replies. You want to click on new saved reply. If somebody says hi, we can instantly message them and say, thank you for contacting us. Just as an example. So now if somebody says hi, they will receive this automatic message. When you're done with setting up your automatic message, you click on this little tick. And this is one of the messages that people will receive a reply for. So that is how you do it. I hope you found this video useful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.